Looking for a baby play mat that combines comfort, safety, and easy maintenance? The Ultra Soft Baby Play Mat is designed to give your child a cozy and secure space to explore. With its generous 50 by 50 size and 1.3-inch thick memory foam, this mat offers the perfect balance of softness and support for infants, toddlers, and kids. What makes this mat stand out is its premium coral velvet fabric, which feels gentle against your baby's delicate skin. The plush memory foam cushions every crawl, roll, and play session, making tummy time more enjoyable and less stressful for both kids and parents. Plus, its non-slip bottom keeps the mat firmly in place, so you won't have to worry about slips or shifts during active play. Beyond comfort, the mat's design focuses on convenience. It folds easily for compact storage, saving space when not in use. If you notice any creases after unpacking, just let it expand over a few days or use a steam iron to smooth it out. This flexibility means the mat stays looking fresh and inviting, no matter where you place it. Cleaning is a breeze with the water-repellent, stain-resistant surface. A quick wipe with a damp cloth or a vacuum run keeps the mat hygienic and ready for everyday use. This feature is especially helpful for busy parents who want to maintain a clean play area without spending extra time on upkeep. The mat's multifunctional design lets you use it as a tummy time spot, crawling area, or even a playpen base. It fits perfectly in the living room, nursery, bedroom, or playroom, adapting to your family's needs as your child grows. Its versatility adds real value, giving you more than just a simple floor mat. If you're looking for a safe, soft, and easy-to-care-for play surface, this ultra-soft baby play mat delivers on all fronts. It creates a spacious and secure environment where your little one can move freely and comfortably. The thoughtful construction and quality materials mean you're investing in something that lasts and supports your child's development. Worth a look if you want a hassle-free way to enhance your child's playtime. The combination of plush memory foam, non-slip backing, and easy maintenance makes this mat a smart choice for any parent. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your baby's play area with comfort and safety in mind. Ready to give your child a cozy, safe space to explore? The Ultra Soft Baby Play Mat is waiting to become a staple in your home. Its blend of softness, durability, and convenience ensures both you and your child get the best experience every day.